So I put Chili in the kennel while I'm going to work so he stops peeing on things. And look what happens. So funny. Hold on. It'll happen any minute now. I forgot to lock the bottom thing, I guess. I thought I checked it. But he's like, ooh, I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna get out. And then Zeus starts barking at him. And he's barking at him. And then Zeus runs over. And he's like, don't, you idiot. And then Chili's just full of shame and turns around. He's like, Mom told you to stay in there. So stay. And Zeus is still barking at him from over here. And then he finally walks away. He's like, alright. And then Chili looks back. So funny.